In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or update the favicon on your Shopify store. This is a quick and essential step in making your online store look polished and professional. A favicon, if you're not familiar, is that small icon associated with a website, usually displayed in the tab of your browser. It's a subtle but crucial detail that helps with your brand's recognition and gives your site an extra touch of professionalism. Let's get started by heading over to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're there, take a look at the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see a menu bar with several options. From this menu, you'll want to click on Online Store. You'll notice that once you click Online Store, a few more options will drop down, one of which is Themes. Go ahead and click on Themes to proceed to the next step. Now that you're looking at the Themes page, focus on your current theme. You should see a Customize button associated with your active theme. Give it a click. This will take you to an area where you can edit various parts of your store's appearance. Over on the left panel of this new screen, you'll want to locate the theme settings. It's represented by a small gear icon, making it easy to spot. Click on it to dive into the theme customization options. Within the theme settings, you'll see a section labeled Logo. Click on Logo and a drop-down will appear. Here, you're going to focus on setting up your favicon, and for that, you need the favicon option. Next to it, you'll find a Select button. Clicking the Select button will give you two choices. First, you can upload your own favicon file if you've got one. This allows for a more personalized touch that aligns perfectly with your overall brand image. Alternatively, if you don't have your own favicon ready, don't worry. Shopify provides a library of free images that you can choose from. Pick the option that suits your needs best. Once you've selected your favicon, you'll see a button labeled Done. Clicking Done will confirm your choice and take you back to the customization panel. There's one last key step to ensure that your changes are applied. Head to the top right corner of your screen and hit the Save button. This saves your progress and updates your store with the new favicon. And there you go. With just a few clicks, you've successfully added or updated the favicon on your Shopify store. It's a small detail, but one that makes a big difference in maintaining a seamless and professional online presence. Thanks for following along, and good luck with your online store.